Good morning. So today there's an instructional video. Not really. It's me. Do I instruct? I guess, right? Yeah, I'm your teacher. Okay, yeah. So today, what you are doing, you are going to take the time today to work on your, if you have not finished, personal narrative map. If you're having trouble with it, please join the Zoom. I am available until 11:30. If you are having problems even after 11:30, message me and I will figure something out because I want you to get caught up with me, okay? Second, if you're done with your personal narrative map, you need to go and work on your rough draft. That means we are taking the information from our personal narrative map and making our paragraphs. You should have 5 paragraphs. 5. With all the information you have, you should have 5. Again, if you're struggling with that, Zoom me, message me something, reach out. I'm here. Use me. 3, once you're done with your rough draft, start going through and editing using the skills we've been learning over the past few weeks. Okay? Editing for adjectives, punctuation that we just learned yesterday, adding or removing sentences for understanding or coherence. Make sure you are using the skills you're learning, okay? We need to apply them now. If you need to go back and watch some videos, do that. If you need to go back and look at some of the work, do that. You can look at work you've submitted, okay? So if you have no idea what I mean by personal narrative map, go back to week 5, I believe. And in it's either week 5 or week 6. I posted personal narrative map. Writing personal narrative map or writing map. Go back to it. Listen to it. Look at it. Download the thing or make one of your own on a piece of paper. But I need you to start, okay? Because I want to see your final drafts on Friday. Raised eyebrows, right? Okay, guys. Join me on the Zoom, please, if you need help. That's why I'm here. There are Zooms for you. Okay? All right. Have a good day, guys. High five.